ready for that 12 o'clock run. As soon as Maddie gets over here and pulls the tickets, we will take care of that one.
Now do it.
We'll be doing that one shortly. Thank you again. Make sure you stop off by the Boy Scouts, get a brat or a hot dog. Stop off at Lyons for a Better Neighborhood, buy a duck, get some more of those raffle tickets. 20 bucks for an arms wingspan. St. Mary's Food Raffle or St. Mary's Food Pantry Raffle, $5 a piece, 5 for 20 bucks, 5 different packages to choose from. They'll be doing the drawing later tonight. Hey, have a great time while you're here. We might have to have them all rev them up again before we shut it down and get ready to drive out of here.